How anti-corrosion material manufacturing technology works. Corrosion is a major problem in many industries, causing damage to equipment, infrastructure, as well as posing a risk to human health and the environment. In order to combat corrosion, researchers have developed a range of technologies for producing corrosion-resistant materials. One technology for producing corrosion-resistant materials is the use of coatings. Coatings can be applied to a surface to form a protective barrier that prevents corrosion from occurring. There are many different types of coatings available, including organic coatings, metallic coatings, and ceramic coatings. Organic coatings are made up of organic polymers, such as epoxy or polyurethane. These coatings are often used in the automotive and aerospace industries, as well as in consumer goods such as appliances and electronics. Metallic coatings are made up of metals such as zinc or aluminum, which are applied to a surface using a process such as electroplating or thermal spraying. These coatings are often used in the construction industry, as well as in marine and offshore applications. Ceramic coatings are made up of ceramics such as alumina or zirconia, which are applied to a surface using a process such as thermal spraying or chemical vapor deposition. These coatings are often used in high-temperature applications, such as in the aerospace and energy industries. Another technology for producing corrosion-resistant materials is the use of alloys. Alloys are materials made up of two or more metals, which are combined to form a material with unique properties. Corrosion-resistant alloys are designed to resist corrosion in specific environments, such as saltwater or acidic environments. One example of a corrosion-resistant alloy is stainless steel. Stainless steel is made up of iron, chromium, and nickel, which form a protective layer on the surface of the material, preventing corrosion from occurring. Stainless steel is often used in the food and beverage industry, as well as in the construction and automotive industries. Another example of a corrosion-resistant alloy is titanium. Titanium is a lightweight and strong metal that is resistant to corrosion in many different environments. Titanium is often used in the aerospace and medical industries, as well as in marine applications. However, there are also challenges associated with the production of corrosion-resistant materials. One of the major challenges is the need for materials that are both effective and cost-effective. Many corrosion-resistant materials are currently expensive to produce, making them difficult to scale up for widespread use. Another challenge is the need for materials that are environmentally sustainable. Many corrosion-resistant materials are currently produced using toxic chemicals, which can have negative environmental and health impacts. Another technology for producing corrosion-resistant materials is the use of composite materials. Composite materials are made up of two or more materials that are combined to form a material with unique properties. Corrosion-resistant composite materials are designed to resist corrosion in specific environments, such as acidic or saltwater environments. One example of a corrosion-resistant composite material is fiber-reinforced polymer (FRP) composites. FRP composites are made up of a polymer matrix, such as epoxy or polyester, reinforced with fibers, such as carbon or glass.